Where did we come from? And where are we headed? How did the universe begin? And does it have an end? Stars and black holes, dimensions and time, AI and the future of human evolution. A journey to awaken your curiosity begins now here on Future Explorations. Subscribe for free because knowledge is limitless. This episode kicks off our series. The universe is stranger than you think. We usually believe we live in a three-dimensional world. Length, width, height, that's space. Add time to the mix and we get four-dimensional space-time. But physicists say our universe might actually be made up of 11 dimensions. 11? What do these unseen dimensions even look like? What is a dimension? A dimension is the number of directions something can move freely. In 1D, motion is only along a straight line. In 2D, you get length and width, a flat plane. In 3D, add height, and you have the space we live in. But what about time? We move only forward, from past to future. That's why time is considered the fourth dimension. So we live in a 3D space plus 1D time equals 4D space-time. But what lies beyond that? It may feel impossible to imagine, but let's go one dimension at a time. Follow along. Fifth dimension, universes with different outcomes. Imagine this. What if you had woken up earlier this morning? That single choice could have led to a completely different day. The fifth dimension is where alternate outcomes exist. Universes that branched off from tiny differences. It's the beginning of the multiverse, and we're just living in one of them. Sixth dimension, universes with different beginnings. If 5D is same origin, different outcomes, then 6D is entirely different starting points. Think, a Big Bang with different energy, time flowing in another direction, different building blocks of matter, universes born from totally different rules. That's the sixth dimension. Seventh dimension, universes with different physics. Now it gets weirder. In the seventh dimension, the laws of nature themselves are no longer the same. What if gravity pushed instead of pulled? What if time looped back on itself? These are universes where physics, as we know it, doesn't apply. Eighth dimension, every possible combination of laws. 8D includes every imaginable combination of physical laws. A universe with time but no space. Worlds where life evolves through pure thought. Realms of consciousness with no physical matter. Everything that can be imagined exists here as a different set of rules. Ninth dimension, the blueprint of all possible universes. To make a universe, you need certain conditions. Energy distributions, particle interactions, time flow. The ninth dimension contains all the possible combinations of these factors, a kind of master blueprint for every universe. It's like a cosmic design lab, maybe even the workshop of a god. 10th dimension, the sum of all possible realities. One step further, 10D is the sum total of every possible universe, every reality, every dimension, all existing simultaneously. Here, there are no rules. Everything is possible, or nothing at all. It's not a place, it's the structure of existence itself. 11th dimension, the membrane that births universes. Finally, we reach the 11th dimension. Here, we don't deal with strings, but with membranes, or brains for short. These brains vibrate within the 11D space, and from those vibrations, a universe is born. Our universe could be just one thin bubble, floating in a higher dimensional sea, surrounded by countless other universes. We humans are merely points in 4D spacetime. But science whispers, there might be an entire 11D framework beyond what we know. And if that's true, how might that change how we see our lives? Maybe even this very moment is just one brief vibration, echoing through countless dimensions. Thanks for exploring the universe with me today. Next episode, why does time only flow forward? Like and subscribe. They're the keys to unlocking the next dimension.